What's up guys, Jimmy here. So today we're doing something completely different. If you've been on this channel for a long time, you know that I've really struggled with finding a nice, simple, clean headshot like this. A talking head, me just saying whatever I need to say, and then transitioning into different shots or products. You've seen this before, you've seen it throughout the entire history of the channel. But a bunch of things change, and to be honest with you, I really haven't liked how any of those shots ended up until now. So you must be thinking something really drastic must have changed. You must have done something really strange because everything looks a lot nicer, everything looks a lot cleaner, everything looks just so good, when as before everything looked bad, like really bad. Well, let me tell you, pretty much all my camera equipment has stayed exactly the same. All my audio equipment has stayed pretty much exactly the same. What can make such a drastic change? And how does this whole new YouTube setup for me look now? So let me show you guys a little tour. If you've watched any of my videos within the last year, you probably noticed most of my videos start out over here, where I'm just talking and there's a blank wall behind me. I found that to be super boring, super uninteresting, and nobody really cared for it. I knew this eventually would have to change. I hated that setup. In fact, I think the setup I had beforehand was a little bit even better, which was when I had a bunch of shoes sitting in the background. I like that setup. It had personality, but this current one looks a lot cleaner, has a lot more personality, and I just overall love it a ton better. Back on topic, what changed? Well, basically, this. No, not shadows, but lighting and where I'm shooting. Every time I change this shot, I have gotten different types of audio, I've gotten different types of lighting, and I think this is finally the best one for both worlds. The best audio out of my mic, and at the same time, best lighting and overall shot. So how did I do it? Well, let me take that camera and show you what's in front of me. Okay? This is gonna be pretty interesting. I am filming my closet. That's right. And look, there's lighting. There's an LED light strip, and that actually made all the difference. What I was lacking was just good, consistent, keyword here, consistent lighting in front of me, which provides a really nice depth. The reason why I did this was because of two things. One, I want my closet to look nice, so there's LED lights in it. Get over it. Reason number two is because it improves both my lighting quality and my audio quality. So then you ask, how does it improve those qualities? Well, first of all, it adds bright lights to my face. And then there's bright lights over there, bright lights over there, a light back there based on that computer, and everywhere. It's perfect. It adds so much light and looks nice. But how does it improve audio quality? Well, simple. When there's bare walls, audio tends to bounce off those walls. But since this is coming out of a closet, there's clothes preventing that. So the clothes actually absorb some of the echoes and sounds, which allows you to get a much more cleaner sound instead of the echoey mess that used to be in all of my videos. You came for the tour. So let me give you a bit of a tour around this whole entire YouTube setup. Okay, so before I show you guys my setup, I only have one tip of advice. I hope you guys don't unsubscribe, because I'm about to show you something really disgusting and ghetto looking. It's bad, but it works and the result looks really nice. Okay, this is just to show you that anyone can do something as simple as this. But well, here we go. That's right. I sit on this chair that's already peeling and falling apart in front of a mic on top of a bunch of cardboard boxes with the tripod wedged in between my clothes and the lighting source being this light strip. So that's my setup. Nothing's changed. This channel's still the same, and I can only hope that quality only goes up from here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was completely different than what you're used to. This was completely unscripted, and I wanted to do something unique this week after just reviewing things over and over and over again. It can get tiring and pretty boring. Maybe I'll do another video behind the scenes like this again. Maybe I'll show how I do product shots and stuff. That'd be pretty interesting. What do you guys think? Would you like to see something like that? Leave that down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And, well, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.